Hey, how's it going? I am testing some things out here. I want to try to see if I can not have, I don't know, I don't necessarily want to have my face up here, um, but it would be nice to have like a little audio. Anyway, I'm going to do this for a second and see if it will. It just doesn't hold up to the speed. I want this to like, I don't know, keep up. Um, Basically, I'm just messing around with the settings here, trying to get uh, just things moving along. I have a couple things that I have going on. I didn't want to do the whole camera and everything, so I figured this. I'm going to check this little. Um, what's it called? Jesus, this is distracting. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna try this like audio visualizer thing for um, the voice, and otherwise I'll go to the camera. But basically, I'm just going to be working on the things that I got going on. I have like a few, like a billion different things seemingly going on. Been so happy since anyone didn't know, I won a second in a hackathon, and I got like some goodies for that. So I'm like trying to use it, but I'm stuck on like three projects. I am um, man, Vlad is going live too, so that's pretty cool. I want to check out his thing. I think I want to sign up for that MVP um, building. He has a building live thing as well. Not that I have a building live thing. He is like building like whole lab. It's good, pretty crazy. Maybe we'll check out his thing a little bit, but I want to check out this stream here. Um, okay. So let's see if I can get the visualizer, if it's going to work the way I want it to work. If it's not, then I'm going to just go back to camera. I just wanted to see if I could not have my head on the screen. I just don't have the CPU for it, I don't think. See, it works good when I have it clicked like that. Um, and yeah, so but I can't focus off that screen or else it'll start to be glitchy. Um, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna switch over, I guess, to the camera if I even need it. It's not. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just messing around um, on the computer. I have three projects going that I need to get done, and um, yeah. Well, I'm gonna see if the music will come through because I'm gonna have to want to do some sound as well. Okay. And if I Okay. Alright, and then we should have some music going, I think, and then I'll maybe switch over to a different camera because this is annoying. Cool. So thanks for joining me, anybody that's watching. I'm just hanging out. I just got back home. I did a bike race. We do a BMX thing with my daughter. It's pretty fun. But yeah, I'm gonna build some things, I guess, and just mess around for a couple, probably like an hour or so. Yeah, and we'll see what goes on. Be nice to have a little bit more power here. If anybody is wanting to join the conversation, I think I can get a bunch of people in this stream too, if anybody ever wants to join. And then there's also the chat I'll keep up. All right, give me a minute here.
Majestic, elusive, part-time fraud, model for socks, demigod, claims he invented, snow in June, sleeps 14 hours, wakes by noon, yeah he's rare, like a functioning app, stares through walls, takes no crap, too bored to roar, too cool to try, snow leopard just vibes, no need to lie.
Oh, I'm just talking into the nothing there. But yeah, basically, I was just talking about Vladimir here. I don't know him really at all, but through hearing. But he's a guy that does like a lot of building and stuff like that, and I think he's launched a couple of things. So and he's entertaining, and yeah, I'm interested in his. He's got this thing going on, but it seems a little more intense than I don't know if I want to, but it's basically like a building things in public type of thing, which I mean I'm basically doing. See if I don't give away too much here. Right. Yeah, we're gonna have to close out of some of this. Alright, give me a minute here. had to. Had to get some things off the screen there. Mostly, I tend to leave the screen open for things of personal to passwords and whatnot open, and it always messes up. So I'm trying not to do that actively in my head. So thanks for watching. I will try to. I'll turn on my camera here in a bit, and I'm gonna build this thing. This is the Audio Vision app. If anyone's interested in anything I'm doing, is I was trying to do the. There was a class that the tech in the tech school. I'll pull them up in a minute, but they have a like a class where you learn a bunch of stuff about how to build a microservice, and I started doing all that, and I got sidetracked with the hackathon that I also did, and then I fell behind. But I'm trying to launch an Audio Vision app that yeah, it could do. I'm gonna get rid of this audio thing here. Delete primitive. There we go. I got my basement in the background. No one wants to see any of that. And then I want to flip me, right? Or should I go on the other side of the screen? No, that's where the action is. Alright, sorry. I'm just messing around. Hopefully the sound is working and everything. Or should I go on the other side of the screen? No, that's where the action is. Alright, sorry. So I'm just messing around tonight, doing a couple different apps and things, and then music I want to play just to keep entertained, and yeah, I don't know. That's what I do on here. I was going over some things on X. I don't think I kind of want to join things while I have. Oh, let's read this. Okay, thank you. This was what I was talking about before. I think this is a person to follow for sure, and then something I'm thinking about doing, but I don't know how intense it's going to be. But yeah, that's one thing. And then the other thing I was doing was I want to build the different apps. So I got an Audio Vision thing. That's that was just showing a LinkedIn agent that I'm trying to get this thing going. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna just toss this in the garbage because I hate working with this LinkedIn API. is there's no. Well, this is telling me I got to sign up for something else, but. I'll figure that out. That's exciting news. I tied the LinkedIn to an MCP, so that can pull in from write data some things. So that's fun. That might be fun to look at. And then I was trying to build runware. I want a image editor. I think an image editor is a good choice of things to make, because I think people, that's what they want to do. I think they want to take a picture and they want to be like, I want my dog to be a cat, or I want my face to be a filter, or I want to take a picture of my bathroom and I want to change the color. So it's like, that's what people want. I'm gonna build that somehow. And which one do I start with first? So this one seems to be just stuck. Let's see how much I've been burning through my credits. I've just got re-upped today, I think, or yesterday, and I've already gone through like 200 credits because I am not as strong as a coder as I am a commander of the AI. I know my way around what is going on with a lot of the code, but I do rely on the Windsurf and the Claude Sonnet 4, which is what I'm using to do a bulk of the like actual code, which you'll see here. I'm not going to just sit. This is, I think it's moving along. So we'll wait that. Okay. Test this. This LinkedIn agent is able to, it's not able to do anything right now. It's trying to be able to look for specifics in a profile to try to narrow down candidates, and do that via program, and then agent would be built to schedule meetings, do some of the legwork for the people that are hiring. Said, oh hey, someone said what up. Hey. That's pretty cool. I like when people chime in. Is that YouTube? Hello. Yeah, so just hanging out trying to build some of this nonsense. I've been trying to build this stuff for a while. Like different things to get things done. The LinkedIn agent, I'm tired of working with LinkedIn. What I've found, which maybe I'm just looking in the wrong spots, but I went Rapid API. I was able to get some you could look for profiles, but like you got to know the name, so it's kind of lame. Yeah, so I was just looking there. So let's see if we can get this thing to work. That would be cool to watch. It's been pulling, like, it did, the first thing it did was it was trying to guess names. And I was like, that's the most ridiculous thing. It was trying to, like, guess foreign names, and it actually succeeded to do so, which is kind of interesting, but I wanted to pull specific candidates. So, where does this want to do it? Make a simulator game project. I don't know. I guess I could. Why don't you try to make a simulator game project? I already made a game, so I made this game, which wasn't a simulator game, but it's like let's see if I can launch it. Forget where this is. That's why I'm going through all the internals. I might have deleted it. Did I delete it? That would suck. Yeah, I think I did. Damn it. I just went through and deleted some stuff the other day, but I had a game that you can kind of scroll through. I don't know. Is there a simulating game that would be interesting? I don't want to be like, I don't want to make another Flappy Bird, something like that. Let's see. Right. I get what you're saying, Juan's rappers. I know, like, what I gotta do is, if I want to pull the people in, I mean, I don't care, you know, that's the kind of the gist of it is that I get it. I'm gonna probably get like a max 30 people watching this tonight, but there's a possibility that it gets higher than that, and that's fine. I'm building 3 different things. I know I could put out there like, oh, you know, like how to install Claude Code and do something like that, or let's build like you're saying, like a Tetris game, or a, you know, some sort of, I don't know, some sort of cliche type thing. But it's just a waste of credits, honestly. It's not worth the time. I mean, this right here, this is basically what it will do is you could put in any audio and it'll create a video out of it using custom GPT images. So you'll make a video and it will make it off of any audio. So, I mean, it's not the most interesting thing, but it's definitely something that is cool. You can put in any audio you want, and then it'll pop out, and you can generate, you know, something, and it'll pop out a video that is working. So that's what I'm building right now. But you're right. Like, if you go back and look at some of the things that are on like X and different things going on, it's very very oriented and very specific. So I get what you're saying. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I gotta plan it out more, and that's not what I'm doing. So, apologies. Thanks for the tips, though. But yeah, I'm trying to get this working. Put this here. It's failed, but that doesn't mean it's not working. Also, I was gonna make some beats, man. I thought that would be fun. Maybe I'm thinking too much into myself. That's like the thought, you know. I was like thinking that people are gonna like my stupid mixes or something like that. But yeah, I think I can whip up some entertainment for sure. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to think. So let's get see your Juan's rappers. Is that rappers like rapper, or is it rappers like building something around code? That's let's see. Okay. see, I want to think of a good. Let's see. All right. All right. So basically, this could just give me some things to throw in here. No, that's not what I want. Okay. This. Trash the lyrics. Back to my home. I do have to say, yeah, my projects or the things that I'm working on are probably not that interesting to most. I do want to build some things that I've been, like that are bigger projects, but they're not going to be the what is it, like the stuff that's going to, I don't know, make me popular on the social media networks. But I get what you mean. It's almost like a static to the back of that one. So what this will do is it will take any audio and then it will create segments of GPT image 1, which is the ChatGPT's image generator, and it will create like a music video collage type thing. The thought behind, or like the thought going forward from that, is that the faster that you can do that, and the more context you can keep connected, it will, you know, get more and more real and connected. So like I'm thinking if you could use what is it, the like I want to use like RoboFlow to identify specific areas. So this is like the idea I want to get like done. Would be cool. So I stumbled across this one the other day. I forget where. Probably somebody deserves credit for this. I think maybe Thursday AI, maybe. I don't know. Those guys, they always have like newest stuff around. I don't know. But basically, what it'll do is it'll you can create workflows and you can identify objects and things in images. So I'm thinking if there's a way to link that to identify portions of images and AI videos and things like that you want to control, you should be able to, I don't know, make it flow. That's the thought. But yeah, for right now, I'm just trying to get GPT image 1 to talk to my audio. Basically, it's transcribing it all in Whisper, then putting it into prompts to give to the image generator, and then batch image generating it. But it's getting SSL errors right now, which is unknown to me. Lost me at that weird sound. do want to say, I don't know if you're still listening to this, Juan's Rappers. Appreciate your commentary, because it makes me think about what should and shouldn't be, kind of streamed. I have the services and stuff to do it, so it's like I do stream a lot of, this and that, doing stuff, but there's got to be some value. I hate the way that AI makes this stuff look every time. About to get rid of this LinkedIn agent. I like to do something different than just like a game. Very Mortal Kombat. One thing I hate about windsurf sometimes is it gets stuck in canceling the job if I stop it. Let's see. Something is breaking this, and I know it. It's so annoying. Be back in a second. Sorry for the hold up there. I'm just contemplating where this is going to end up. It's all because of the browser. yeah, I think that I probably bored everyone enough. I will, I guess, catch everyone later. Sorry if it wasn't eventful. I'll definitely think about making it more direct in the future. But thank you for coming and watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the music a little bit. And yeah, I don't know. I'll show maybe more of like how these were created once they work, because they're all kind of just junk at the moment. They this LinkedIn one I think will probably never work unless I get another specific API that's gonna give me the data I need or the data sets that I need. It's gonna be just too much money to like build, I think, but we'll see. So anyway, I appreciate you, everyone. Have a good rest of your night.